So I want to balance the following equations. So the first one is this H which is mercury oxide decomposes. So this one, as you can see, we have one a compound here. Then this one decomposes to form mercury plus oxygen gas. So when balancing the chemical equations, we need to make sure that the number of atoms on the left hand side, this side, must be equal to the number of atoms in the right hand side, this side. Then when you're balancing, when putting a digit or a number, you can only put a digit in front of the compound or element. For example, you can put a number here in front, or here, or here. You can't put a digit here, a number here. No, it's not allowed. So you can only put a number here, here, or here. So we try to check this is mercury. So how many mercury atoms are here? So as you can see, we have one atom of mercury on the left hand side. Then go this side. Here again, we only have one mercury here. So mercury is balanced. You have one and one here. Then okay, oxygen we have one here. Then oxygen we have two. So since we have two atoms for oxygen here, so which means even this side we need to have two. So what are going to do? So you try to put a two here. As you can see, so we're just doing a try and error method. So you put a two in front here. So as you can see, these two it multiplies everything for mercury and for oxygen. So if the number is in front, which means it goes with everything here. So so as you can see, we have two oxygen and two oxygen. But as we put these two, which means the number of mercury is also affected. So instead of having one mercury here, we have two mercury. Then you have one mercury. So we have two mercury here, here one mercury. So to balance this one, which means we need to put also a two here. Okay, we try to check if it's balancing. So I have two mercury here, two mercury here, oxygen two, so it's balance. So this is how you balance the chemical equation. Then I'll go to question 2. We have hydrogen plus oxygen here, as you can see, give us water. So we need to check how many hydrogen are here. We have two. Hydrogen are here two. So hydrogen is balanced. Then oxygen here, two. Oxygen here, one. As you can see, we have one oxygen here. So I'll put, since I have two oxygen here, so I need to put a two here. I need to put a two here like this. I try if it balance. So two oxygen. So as we put these two, which means also the number of hydrogen is affected. So for us to find the total number of hydrogen, we need to multiply 2 times 2, which is 4. So hydrogen of this side 4. This side we have 2. So again, I'll put a 2 here. So when I say 2 times 2, it will be 4. This side 4 hydrogen, and also this side 2 times 2 is 4. Oxygen we have 2 here. Oxygen, these 2 and 1, so we have 2, as you can see, 2 hydrogen. So it's balanced as well. Then I'll go to question 3. A magnesium plus oxygen give us magnesium oxide. So magnesium is 1 here, magnesium 1 here. But the oxygen here of 2, here of 1. So I've tried to put a 2 here. Okay? Try to put a 2 here. So I have 2. So even the number of magnesium is affected. So magnesium have 2, which means I need to put a 2 here as well to balance. So I have 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So it's balanced. I'll go to question 4. Calcium here I have 1. Calcium here I have 2. I have 1. Sorry, I have 1. Then oxygen here I have 1. Oxygen I have 1. Now the only issue is chlorine. Chlorine here I have 2. Chlorine here I have 1. So I'll put a 2 here. So as I put 2 on chlorine, as you can see, I have 2 chlorine and 2 chlorine. But also the number of hydrogen is affected. So I have 2 hydrogen here. Then I have how many hydrogen are here? I have 2. So this one is balanced as well. This one is balanced as well. Then I go to question 5. I have a calcium carbonate. Give us calcium oxide plus a carbon dioxide. So how many calcium are here? 1. Calcium here, 1. Carbon here is carbon, 1. Carbon here, 1. Okay. Oxygen here, 3. Oxygen here, this oxygen 1. plus these 2, so it's equal to 3. So even the number of oxygen also is balanced. So this is balanced. Okay. So question 6, we have sodium hydroxide plus this plus hydrochloric acid is equal to sodium chloride plus water. So we need to check again here. How many sodium are here? Of 1. Sodium here of 1. Oxygen we have 1 here. Oxygen we have 1 here. Okay. Then hydrogen we have this 1 plus this 1, so it will be 2. Hydrogen here we have 2, so it's balanced. Then chlorine we have 1. Chlorine here we have 1, so this one is already balanced. No need of putting a number here. So you go to question 7. You have phosphorus, which is P, plus oxygen is equal to this. So you need to check how many phosphorus are here. 1. Phosphorus here 2. Okay. Now we need to be careful. As you can see here, we have 5 oxygen. So numbers like 3, 5, 7, in short, numbers which are not even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, that are difficult to balance. So it's better we try to eliminate them and put the numbers in two even numbers. So better we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 5. So for us to get rid of this 5, we can try to put it to here. Because we said 2 times 5 to be 10. That is, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So as you can see, we have 10 here. So oxygen here we have 2 times 5, it's 10. Oxygen here we have what? Oxygen here we have 2. So for us to have 10, we need to put a 5 here. Okay. Then now phosphorus here we have what? We have 2 times 2, which is 4. So it means we can just put a 4 here in front. So you have balanced it. Then I'll go to the last question number 8. So iron here I have 1, iron here I have 1 as well. Chlorine here I have 2, chlorine here I have 3. So I said that numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9 are hard to balance. So better we try to come up with 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is, since this is 3, so I'll try to put a 2 again here, so that I have 2 times 3, which is 6. So I have 6 here. Yes. Then so chlorine have 6 here. Then chlorine here I'll put what? I'll put a 3 here, so that I can say 3 times 2, it will be 6 as well. Then iron here it's 2 because of this 2. So it means I'll put a 2 here. So it has balanced. So this is how you are supposed to balance the equation using trial and error concept. Thank you very much.